Okay, so as you guys heard in the beginning, there was a tornado siren going off. In the very beginning of the video, there was a tornado siren going off as I was going like this back and forth on the house towards the window. I mean, you can see that this storm is doing a lot of damage. One of the worst ones we've had so far since, what, 2007? 2007 storm was the worst one. This is like the 2007 storm all over again, except nearly the same. And there's a tree down right here as well. And we also lost power not even a minute into the storm. Like 30 seconds in as the wind was just pulling in to arrive and start blowing things around. Just as the wind was coming in, the power went out like the snap of a finger. Like it flickered and then it went out. Done. Gone. Black. We don't know how long we're gonna have lost power for, but yeah, this is a pretty horrific storm. Jack. There's Jack. Completely lost power to the house. Yeah, even the lights won't turn on. Just to prove you guys. Here's Gus. Completely lost power. Everything's out. Oh my god. My whole window's covered in rain. Looks worse. Doesn't look as worse on camera than it really looks. Looks a lot worse in person than it really does. Wonder if Pontiac's doing okay. Let's check radar. Gotta find my iPad first. I don't even know where I even put it. It's so dark in here. Where is it? Gotta get a feel, really. Gotta feel so dark to find it. Are you serious? It's probably up here. There it is right there. I see the iPad. Yeah, I can't see because there's no internet connection. worst if it has passed us. I'm not too sure about that because the wind's still blowing pretty hard. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, and if you guys want more Thunderstorm / videos like these in the future, smash the like button, turn on that notification bell, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one later. Love you all.